Kũngĩna kuo nĩ atĩ rĩrĩ rigi nene ya airĩtu bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya Women Premier League ĩtanyĩtwo gũthiĩ na mbere na gũcokereria kiumia gĩkĩ. Kĩrabu gĩa Kibera Sacco Women no kwĩharĩrĩria mareharĩrĩria. Ũũ nĩ thutha wa mũcemanio wa ira na ũtongoria wa FKF na kũrĩa merirwo gũkorwo makĩrirwo o ta ũrĩa arũme makoragwo magĩkwo thĩinĩ wa rigi kwa ihinda rĩa matukũ mangĩ. Irabu ici ikiuga mwĩhoko wao nĩ rigi-inĩ ĩno yũkĩte ta ĩrĩa ya arũme nĩguo makorwo magĩteithĩka.
I'm having a great experience. You know, the girls have a great bunch of ladies, hardworking, great attitude. You know, they're receptive. Obviously, in the beginning, it was a little bit difficult because we were bringing in a lot of new ideas that they were not used to. But, you know, with time, they've adapted, and right now they're playing very well.
The FKF, even the president, agree that they're not running the league the way it's supposed to be run. They've done a very good job in giving us fixtures and standings after every weekend. So, but we believe that they need to do more because this league belongs to FKF, does not belong to us. So we have to cooperate as clubs and also with the FKF to be able to have a very good and quality league that is competitive.
Muthaki Shai Gilgeous Alexander